When you start a new business, the last thing you want to worry about is paying unnecessary fees to the bank every single month. In this video, I'll share with you what I think is the best business bank account for small businesses. Most business bank accounts have monthly fees, minimum deposits, and even charge you extra if you go over a certain number of transactions, which is a nightmare if you're doing a lot of sales. You also need to go in person to the physical location in order to open an account. These are the common headaches and inconveniences when you go with most of the traditional business banks. The better option that I found is Bluevine. It's built for small business owners and actually makes your life easier. There's no monthly fees and no minimum deposits, so you're not losing money before you even start. You get unlimited transactions, so you never get hit with extra fees as your business grows. The account can be set up 100% online, so there's no wasting time at a physical bank. You get FDIC insurance of up to $3 million, which is 12 times more coverage than most other banks offer. You also get 5 free sub accounts, which is perfect for organizing money for taxes, payroll, or inventory. There's an amazing mobile app that you could use that's user-friendly. And last but not least, you could earn 2% APY interest on balances up to $250,000. So these are all great perks without having any of the headaches. Honestly, if you're running a business, Bluevine just makes sense. There's no hidden fees, no transaction limits, just banking that actually works for you. I highly recommend you to check it out. You can sign up within just a few minutes online. I've listed a direct link for you down below in the description.